Hi, this is Bob with New Age Industrial. I've got some solutions for your pick and fulfillment needs. Right here, I have an order picking cart. This cart is designed to be worked with an order picker. First things you want to notice is there's an oak block down here so you can grip it with your order picker. Oak is very strong and it's pretty durable, so that's one of the benefits we put. We have an anti-tip bracket. Also, this open pocket allows you to come in at somewhat of an angle and easy to get in and grip it and go. The goal behind this is that when product comes in, you're going to use this to receive goods and put it on here. Then you're going to be able to stage it. There's a handle on the back here. Your people can move it around. This cart weighs 280 pounds. It's very lightweight, all aluminum. If you look at anybody that builds it in steel, it's going to be 600 or more. So that's a key ingredient in this whole process. So you will load it up with all your picking cart needs, goods, packages. Now the difference between what you're looking at and what the other guys built is these shelves are removable. These are all set at a 4-degree pitch. So that way if it vibrates, the product goes back and not forward if you're moving it down a rough surface. These are 30-inch shelves. We also have 15-inch deep shelves right here. The reason you would use a 15-inch deep shelf is if you're putting bigger product in here and you want to take these out, because these would pull out and you could lay them down below if you wanted to for taller product. When we build these carts, we make them out of virgin aluminum. We extrude all our own aluminum. That's why New Age can make this better and stronger than anybody else, and lighter weight. Keep in mind, like I said earlier, about 280 pounds is what it weighs. Nobody's going to come close to us in that weight. Also on the bottom, on here, I have anti-skid tape, so when you walk across, you do have some grip on here. This cart happens to have some strips on here of anti-skid tape because the customer wanted it so the product wouldn't come forward. But you can fill this all up. The order picker will come along. He's going to engage it. He's going to raise up. Here's the important thing. This gap right here has to be here because it has to make sure that it's flush with the depth of the order picker. So that way the operator can transition over and stand here and not have any trip hazard. You can go with a smaller caster and lower the profile a little bit. If you want all 4 swivel wheels, we can notch this out so you can have swivels on the front and the back. Again, all aluminum, ample mesh. But back to what I was talking about, they can pick this cart up, they'll take it up, put the product away in their mezzanine, then they can bring it back down, or they can go back up and pick goods, bring it down, and then the picking people can turn around and unload the cart and send it out. So when they move this down from the mezzanine, they can put it down on the ground, put it over by the packing area, unload the product, get it ready for shipment, and send it out. It's a convenient cart, it does all, and it eliminates about half of your order pickers, so you can save a lot of money just by having something as simple as this. Call us, we do any size you need, only because we extrude. We extrude all our own aluminum. We can make it to fit. This will never rust. It's the strongest cart out there, and I'll be honest with you, it's unbelievable. For more information, email us at sales@newageindustrial.com or visit us online at newageindustrial.com.